Hey, this is Mike with J&M Reviews, and today I am reviewing this beautiful box by QWATCH. So thank you so much for the sample QWATCH. So this is how it looks like inside. I left a few things in so you can see exactly how it would come packaged. So it has this little cleaning cloth that you can use, and of course, little things here. And then you have this. This is where you would want to hold your watch, your jewelry. It's mainly for watches, but you can really use it for anything. So I show you what it would look like when you remove all of these little things. So yeah, so it's very nice. It's a little bit heavy, but it is very, very nice. You see the beige color that it has. I really like it. It looks very professional, very sleek, and that's what it looks like on the inside. And it has its little logo there. Remove this. So this is it's like a plastic. So it's not glass. It may look like glass from this video, but it is not. It is a plastic. So it is not glass. So just be careful though. This falls down. It'll be, it'll crack and it'll be pretty bad. But overall, it's very nice. Comes in a pretty large box. So when you receive it, it's going to be in a pretty large box like this. So it comes in this box, which is, again, pretty large. And I have it upside down, but that's the Q for the brand QWATCH. So yeah, so thank you very much, QWATCH. Super nice, really elegant, and definitely you want to decorate your watches, jewelry. You can put your rings, or you can put bracelets and things like that here, things of value. You can protect them, and it gives it a nice little display. So hope you enjoy it.